Now I'm back to telling y'all what Melissa got to see. She got to see prairie dogs. She got to see
Buffalo.
She got to see
Cows.
what?
Cows.
Cows, yeah. Got to see a big ranch of cows. And those buffalo were huge.
Mm-hmm. Those are monster buffaloes.
Them things had big old heads on them.
Set high from Tennessee skies to the mountains wide in my Roadtrek Zion, chasing the sun. Woodallsrvnusa, living the dream, enjoying the day.
And Melissa's going to feed the prairie dogs. She can't stand it because they're everywhere.
I know it. I want to take one home.
You can't take them home with you. You can't go out there.
Look here. Oh, where'd he go?
That was really fun. Shall we stay peaceful? Yeah.
Should have broke it open more.
Oh, look at the kissing, ain't they precious? Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, there's your midnight. Oh, there she go. Oh, yes. Is that good? Is that good? Where's your brother at? You run off, he ain't getting up in that.
They're still timid. They're afraid people can get them.
Of all things that she has to do, she had to stop and feed the prairie dogs right outside Badlands National Park.
100 miles, I'm running wild. Ride the lightning, run on empty, the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. But I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet child. I'm running wild.
What are you doing?
You looking for something to eat?
I'm running wild.
Looking for something to eat? That's it.
Always been a runner,
Here's a baby
never
one.
been one for settling down. Spent my life in the backwoods looking for ways out of a one-horse town. I found a six-string ticket and jumped that westbound train. I only slowed down long enough to stand up on that stage. The crowd not is a cloud of dust for the next 1,000 miles. I'm running wild. Ride the lightning, run on empty in the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried. But I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet child. I'm running wild. Yeah. I'm running wild. Mama, I'm running wild. Yeah, I'm running wild.
No, you can't have the prairie dogs. No prairie dogs for you.
I'm assuming you may lose signal in here. I don't know what mine's doing. Mine's got to stay on 240 west. Should take you back up to 90. If you don't detour off of 240, stay on 240. And when you get back up to 290, your wall drugstore should be somewhere right in there or the next exit.
You can get passports at one of these places. Where they'll stamp it down and go through.
It's a national parks passport. You just order them. They may give you one here, I don't know. The little fella said, "Where you going?" I said, "We're going to go through the Badlands, and we're going to go up to Wall Drugstore." I said, "We're going to hit Mount Rushmore." I said, "We may go up to Sturgis." He said, "Have you ever been to Sturgis?" I said, "I've been to Sturgis, Kentucky. Not Sturgis here." He said, "Oh, little Sturgis." I said, "Yeah." So he's been there.
Well,
We're at the Badlands National Park. All
we finally made it.
244,000 acres of it.
And we're right in the middle of it.
Yep.
So we're going to go up here and walk up and look out and get a picture of it.
Yep.
All right. Look down in there.
Mm-hmm. There's a cave down in there. See the cave down there? Looks like it's got bats or something flying out of it.
The Badlands Wall refers to the dramatic, jagged northern escarpment of Badlands National Park in South Dakota. It's a continuous ridge of colorful and coated rock formation stretching for miles, separating the lower prairie from the upper prairie. The town of Wall, South Dakota, is located near the park's northern edge and serves as a gateway to the Badlands, particularly the Wall area. While driving down the winding roads, Melissa and I noticed the beauty that's been here in the Badlands for many a years. And for thousands of years, Native Americans have used this area for their hunting grounds. Archaeological records combined with oral traditions indicate that these people camped in secluded valleys where fresh water and game were available year-round. Eroding out of the stream banks today are the rocks and the charcoal of their campfires, as well as the arrowheads and tools they used to butcher bison, rabbits, and other game. From the top of the Badlands Wall, they could scan the area for enemies and wandering herds of buffalo. If hunting was good, they might hang on into winter before retracting their way to their villages along the Missouri River. The Lakota people were the first to call this place Makasika, which translate to Badlands. Extreme temperatures, lack of water, and the exposed rugged terrain led to its name. French-Canadian fur trappers called it Badlands to travel through. About 150 years ago, the Lakota Nation, consisting of 7 tribes including the Oglala Lakota, had displaced the other tribes from the northern prairie. And what do you see when you're in the Badlands National Park? Buffalo. Everywhere. All over.
Badlands and buffalo.
Badlands and buffalo.
Law's factory owned store. I'm going there to see what's in there.
Black Hills Gold. All kinds of gem.
Quartz.
No. I have to keep telling her no.
Ooh, Daddy, look.
Yep. So, and we're all, so our school is kindergarten through 12th grade, all in one building.
All right, we can cross the street right here. I guess this is the main door.
I guess it's
Looks
any
like
of this.
it.
It's all the way down.
Go ahead.
It just all kind of goes into each other, I guess. I'm assuming the inside you probably walk through one to the other. Jackalope's Corner. See, the jackalope was what was down there. That's what he got a picture of, was the jackalope.
Coffee refills 5 seconds.
That's what he had a picture of. Oh no, there's a Harley Davidson shop. I can get me a Badlands Harley Davidson t-shirt.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Store photo display.
Now you jackalope, you have to go to his own over there. You have to walk back up to the end and walk back over to get to it.
Wall drug main entrance right there. Go right in here. Come right down through. And after a long, grueling day of driving and seeing other sights, Melissa and I went to sit down to get us a bite to eat. And I think Wall not only has water, but they have some good food too. Now I'm back to telling y'all what Melissa got to see. She got to see prairie dogs. She got to see
Buffalo.
buffalo. She got to see
Cows.
what?
Cows.
Cows, yeah. Got to see a big ranch of cows. And those buffalo were huge.
Those are monster buffaloes.
Them things had big old heads on them.
This order's ready. Could have just walked over.
So she's going to go get the food. Melissa wanted me to take a picture of my food.
Buffalo burger.
You can see my buffalo burger. And she got
I got the flying buffalo.
the flying buffalo. But the buffalo burger is good.
I think it's we're hungry because we ain't ate breakfast. We've had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich all day.
That is right. Well, all we've had is peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
And that was about 9 o'clock this morning. It's 3 o'clock now.
But we're making good time.
We're about an hour and a half from the campsite. We'll now be home for 2 days.
Our home for 2 days. So that's going to give us a chance to be able to get out and go around. But you know, we really had a good time. I mean, good timing, you know, to be everywhere we went.
Yeah.
And we've not been rushed.
We're right on schedule.
Well, you got to do a little bit of work. When we get to the campsite, schedule a truck to go out. Or
We got to schedule a truck.
yeah. which that's part of her being able to get off for 2 weeks too. She had to be able to do a little bit of work, because most places won't let you off but a week at a time, but her boss was real nice. And after some good food, we're off to see the rest of Wall Drugstore, still looking for that glass of water.
A woman needs a man like a fish needs a bicycle. Big.
I am Zoltar, the Great Gypsy, and I can see your fortune. Come see it too, no?
No.
Well, we'll see you, Zoltar, as we're on our way to Mount Rushmore. You know, the Traveler's Chapel was wonderful, happy, and also the largest jackalope I've ever seen. And then seeing a sculpture of Mount Rushmore where we're headed. Looks like somebody's gonna have fun, because right now we're gonna get into some gymming. Yeah, gyms, I guess that's what you call it. And then we'll be on our way.
How are you, sir?
Fine, how are you?
Grandkids will have a ball in that.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you've wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way and get off of this lonely road. Off of this lonely road, off of this lonely road. Get off of this lonely road.